My people, I greet you all depending on the time zone. I want to show you this leaf, this plant. This plant is a blood tonic. It's a blood tonic. It's a plant, but it also helps for building the blood. Obara, on a pump obara. It's a leaf. So most people are calling it blood tonic. I crossed this on the village. I don't know. It's very surprised. They are using it to do multi-purpose things. So they can use it, they can cook it. Then you can drink a water, and also it cure many things. Not only blood, it cure many things like those who are having sugar level, those who are having sugar, and there's so many things you couldn't imagine. This is a national plant. That's the reason I told you earlier that Ndi Igbo is the science of the old. Our forefather discovered all these things, which they inherited and handed it over to us. So it left for us to make use of this during our own time, to make a lot of research concerning this plant. So this is all I have to say for here. So if you need any question regarding about this plant, don't hesitate to ask me. Follow me on my YouTube page and also my Facebook page at Maazi-UC. Cheta na ife anyị nọbụ omenala na ọdịnala Igbo na ihe eji wee mara Igbo. Igbo bụ Igbo. Aka mbụ onye nke gị bụ Maazi-UC. Ụmụnne m, ndewo.